Guys, gising na ang aking mga junakis. Sobrang ikli lang ng tulog nyo ha. It's too short. Very short nap. Mama's about to cook pa your lunch. Ay! Kiss na mama. Seren, kiss mama. Why you wake up very early? It's not even sleep, it's just a nap. Very short nap. Oy! Mama don't have a chance to cook pa your lunch. Close eyes na. What? What did you say? What's mama's name?
Dono.
Donna. You, what's your name?
Tata do.
This one?
Dono may
Si
tata.
Seren. You?
Tata. Tata.
Mama?
Mama?
What's mama's name?
Mama, what's your name?
What's mama's name?
Dono.
Dono. All done.
Tata.
Say hello.
Tata.
Say hi, vlog. Hi.
Hi, ba.
Good job. Hi, vlog. Say hi, vlog. Hi, vlog.
Tap, tap, tap. Tap, 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 tap.
We're ready to leave the house. It's almost 11. So we're gonna go to Alabang. So from Pampanga, I don't know how long it will take, but maybe 1 hour and a half from Skyway. So, hi, you ready? You look lovely in your dress, darling. Thank you, Aunt Muddy, for this lovely dress. Oh, Mama got blue. And Seren there.
Yan yung taxi ko niya. Adrian James, binibinyagan kita sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Happy birthday.
Yay! Happy birthday, Mommy and Daddy! Happy birthday, Adrian. Gusto sabi mo? My son, I wish you good health.
Unang-una po sa lahat, gusto ko lang pong magpasalamat sa mga dumalo sa birthday ni AJ, sa mga nandong at ninang. At para naman kay AJ, happy birthday, love. Ang wish ni Mama sa'yo is, sana lumaki kang may takot kay God at may respeto sa kapwa mo tao. Sana lumaki kang mabuting bata. Love na love ka namin ni Papa. Love you.
Once again, happy birthday, Adrian!
Yes. Jolly, jolly, Jollibee, jolly, jolly. Open the gift from Jollibee. Open. open. Hello, vlog! So, I bought some Jollibee food from Jollibee Dao. And, actually, tapos na yung aming na-order. And ito na lang yung natira, which is the Yum Burger. It's one of my childhood favorite meal from Jollibee. So, every time na kinakain ko to, it reminds me of childhood. So, this time, actually, ang paborito ni Seren sa Jollibee so far is yung spaghetti nila. And, the chicken, hindi ko masyado silang pinipid ng chicken kasi medyo salty. So, ina-avoid ko pa yung mga ganong type ng lasa for them. And si Tala, hindi masyado siya nakapag-focus kasi I also bought a blocks, it's like a toy from Jollibee. So, mag-a-add lang kami ng 48 peso. Meron na silang fun blocks. Ayan. So, na-busy siya. Hindi siya masyado nakakain ng spaghetti. And then, 1 piece chicken joy for me. So, ngayon, kakainin na namin ang Yum Burger. And I'll try my kid if they like this. Love, oh! Jollibee. Yum, yum, yum. You like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? Yum, 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 yum. This is Mommy's favorite, darling. Yum Burger from Jollibee. Ayan, si Tala nasa ilalim ng mesa. Say hello, vlogs.
Hi, vlogs.
You don't wanna try this Yum Burger? You wanna try it? Come here, Mama. Wow, that's a big bite. Yum, 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 yum.
No.
Do you like it? What?
No.
Do you want more? Okay. Wow. Do you like it? Oh. Do you like it, Charles? You like it? Do you want more? Wow, that's a big bite, is it? Taos, where are you? Do you like the Jollibee? Hi. Jolly, jolly, Jollibee, jolly, 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 jolly. Sing and sing. Do you like your breakfast, darling? This is their first meal. Ano siya? Patatas with eggs. Hindi kasi sila kumakain ng patatas na alone. Alam mo yun, na wala siyang mix. So, kailangan ko siyang i-mix with egg. Then, hindi na nila mamalayan na patatas pala yun. Anak, you have 1 each spoon, okay? So, you eat na. Eat. You? Kiss mo. Hi. Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog, Sayan. Hi, vlog. Say hi. Hi. Oh, let's eat na. Let's eat na. Kiss mo. 1 more kiss. Oh, what is that? Why are you rubbing your tummy? Just rubbing your tummy. Saren is eating her breakfast made by love with Mama. She don't want to be fed by me, so gusto niya siya lang yung hawak ng kutsara. But this is a good practice as well for them. And then, there it is, my Tala. Say hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. Say hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. Good job. Eat na na. Show your food. Oh. Good job. Oh. Say hi, vlog. Show your food. Wow. All done. Good job. You like your food? Oh. Yum, 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 yum. Say it. Yum, 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 yum. Pagigising lang nila, guys. And the past few weeks, binibigyan ko sila ng pandesal. Ano siya, mini pandesal. Wait, anak. Yes, Mama's talking. But hindi nila natapos yung pandesal. So maybe break muna kami sa pandesal. And then, more healthy foods na muna. Oh! Oh! It fell, darling. It fell. Oh! So, today is Thursday, guys. And today is Thursday. And bukas, darating yung aking brother, si Jasper. Dito kasi siya mag-aaral ng college. Kahapon, graduation nila for the K-12 by tawag doon. Hindi ko na kasi naabutan. So, kahapon yung graduation niya. And today is one of, yung bunso namin naman yung may gagraduate today. So, hindi na siya makakahabol kasi mamaya, mga alauna daw siya alis. Ang flight niya kasi is Davao to Clark. Alam niyo naman, malapit kami sa Clark Airport. So, prefer talaga ni Papang na airport yung, yung Clark Airport yung lagi namin gagamitin. So, even this upcoming travel, Clark yung aming departure. Layo kasi sa Manila, tapos traffic pa, ang hirap mag-parking, and etc. etc. Plus, we have 2 kids, quite hard. Na-try na kasi namin siya once. So, ayun, so pick upin lang namin siya tomorrow around 4. Then, hopefully, magiging okay na, maging smooth yung kanyang pag-a-apply sa college. Do you like your breakfast? Yes. Say yes. Aww. Say hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. My name is Tala. Uh-oh. What's your food? You finish? Are you done? Oh, you eat. You watch your food. Good job. So, umikot kami sa Marquee Mall, then napadaan kami dito sa isang Montessori school for the kids. But at the meantime, it's too young for my kids to take a toddler study. Wala pa silang available for their age. So, probably next year is the ideal age for them. But we let them try how it works with the teachers like that. And so far, so good naman yung aking mga kids. So, sabi nga ng isang teacher, medyo advanced daw yung aking mga anak. Nak, hindi like that. You're not a dog, darling. I know you're playing, yes? But you use your spoon to eat. So, yeah, probably pag, kasi papasok natin siya ngayon. May mga available naman, but it's more on music, dancing, like that. Parang lang siya, socialization din with other kids. Pero kasi may mga biyahe kami this year, so, mahirap ma-commit yung mga araw na papasok sila. So, yan. Excited na din kayo for school, But for the meantime, I'm teaching them sketching colors, then yung ABC, then I teach them also some basic, no, not basic, but some Tagalog rhyme, nursery rhyme. So, para naman alam din nila kahit paano yung mga Filipino kids nursery rhyme. So, yun, so far so good. Nakakapagsalita naman sila ng konti. But so far, naiintindihan naman nila yung mga sinasabi namin sa kanila, like open the door, knock the door, or can you put this, or can you put that, stay, go. So, marami na din silang alam. So, that's a good milestone for my baby. Yes, ane. Kiss mama. Ay. Kiss mama. You don't love mama? Oh, I love you. Oh, kiss mama. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye na to the vlog. Vlog. Say bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, vlog. Oh, tak seren. Bye, vlog.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. These are the fruits and vegetables. Yum, 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 yum. Well, open. Say open. Open. Wow. What are the vegetables and fruits can you see here? What is this? Good job. What is this, Erin? This one. Good job. This one. What's this? Papaya. You? Good job. Okay, where's the papaya? That's banana. Where's the papaya? Show me. Papaya. Good job, Saren. Where is the mango? Good job. That is the mango. Good job, Saren. Where is carrots? Good job again, Saren. Where is the apple? Apple. No, that's pear. Where's apple? You eat them before. Good job, Tals. Apple. Where is the tomato? Tomato. Good job. Where is the grapes? Yum, 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 yum. Grapes. No? Where's the grapes? No, that's eggplant. Where's the grapes? Grapes. Where is the cauliflower? That's your first meal. Eva. Good job. Where is the cabbage? Cabbage, anak. We don't eat a lot so we don't, cabbage. Where's the eggplant? Ooh. Eggplant, color violet. This one. We don't like eggplants though, I've noticed. So next, what are next? Ooh, there's a lot in here. Where is the orange? Orange. Where's the orange? Good job, Tala. Orange here now. Look, that's pineapple. Where is potato? Potato. Potato. This one. Lot of dots. You see? Potato. Where is the pineapple? Yum, 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 yum. Pineapple, anak. This one. Where is the onion? Onion. Well done, Tals. This one. Where is pumpkin? Where is pumpkin? Ay, pumpkin. Where's pumpkin? Good job. This one. Where is the pepper? Pepper. Okay. Open. Ooh, fruits. Where is strawberry? Strawberry. Yum, 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 yum. Good job. Yummy. Where is watermelon? Where is the watermelon? It's your favorite. Good job, Saren. Watermelon. Where is broccoli? Broccoli. No, that's cherry. Broccoli nut. Where's the broccoli nut, Saren? Good job. Where is kiwi? That's melon. I know that's your favorite. Where's kiwi? Kiwi. Alright. Where's the ABC? ABC. Open. What's the A say? Ah, good job. Apple. Big apple. Yuyu. Next. Ooh, what's this? What's this? Bowl. B. B, B, B. Yuyu. What are this? What is this? Bowl. Alright, next. What's this? Cat.
It's like, you know, it's better, safer at home instead of having someone pick.
Whose is that?
It was landed 2 minutes ago.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Who's gonna see? Who's gonna pick up here? Uncle Jester. Look in the phone. Wow.
Well behaved, but she's trying to run off all over the place.
Where is your Uncle Jester?
Well, he's probably having to wait for his bag. He's waiting for his bag.
There he is.
Alright.
Oh, there.
He looks tired.